Dealing with a stuck caps lock key in Windows 11? Here are 3 fixes to resolve it. Press Windows key and R key together from your keyboard. Now, copy and paste the following path in the text field. Now, click OK. Click on Advanced Key Settings tab. Now, press the Shift key radio button. Click on Apply and OK. If it's typing only in capitals, check if the caps lock is turned on or off. If it's on, press once to switch it off, and it should be working fine now. Select the text you want to change to lowercase, and press Shift plus F3 keys together on your keyboard. This will change the letters in capitals to lowercase. This is an instant fix, and you can continue type in lowercase. However, if you are still facing the issue, you can move on to the third method. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.